Good morning, Namaskar. My name is Neha Thakkar from here at Global Kids. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So let's start our session with prayer. Close your eyes, join your hand, start prayer and you must speak with me. ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Now listen to the palm. Put them on your eyes. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Okay, press. So now kids, activity time. So look at here, circle the correct letter for the given picture. या फिर क्या बोल सकते हैं, look at the picture and circle the correct beginning letter. So which picture is this? Which picture is this kids? Zebra. Which picture is this? Zebra or zebra दोनों बोल सकते हो. Okay kids. And what is the first letter of zebra? Yes, Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So where is the letter Z? Yes, here, right? So circle the letter Z. Okay, which picture is this? Yes, zucchini. Z for zucchini. Z for zucchini. And what is the first letter of zucchini? Z. So where is the Z? Yes, here, right? Which Z is this? Small letter Z, right? So circle the letter Z. Okay, now next, which picture is this? Yes, zero. Which picture is this? Zero. And what is the first letter of zero? Yes, Z, right? What is the first letter of zero? Z. So where is the Z? Yes, this one, right? So which Z is this? Yes, capital letter Z, right? So circle the letter Z. Okay, which picture is this? Jeep. Zip. Which picture is this? Zip. Which picture is this? Zip. So what is the first letter of zip? Yes, Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. So where is the Z? Yes, here, right? So circle the letter Z. Which picture is cheese? Zebra. And what is the first letter of zebra? Z. Z for zebra. Which picture is this? Zucchini. And what is the first letter of zucchini? Z. Z for zucchini. Which picture is this? Zero. And what is the first letter of zero? Z. Z for zero. Which picture is this? Jeep. And what is the first letter of jeep? Z. Z for jeep. Zebra. Zucchini. Zero. Zip. So our activity part is done. Look at the board here. So I show you few objects. We start with letter Z. So the picture is this? Zero. The picture is this? Zero. And what is the first letter of zero? Z. Z for zero. Okay. Which line is this? Zigzag line. Which line is this? Zigzag line. What is the first letter of zigzag line? Z. Z for zigzag line. Okay, the picture is this? Z. Z. The picture is this? Z. So what is the first letter of Z? Z, right? Z. at here. Which letter is this? Capital letter Z. And which letter is this? Small letter Z. I am the letter Z. I am the 26th letter of English alphabet series. I look like this and this. I say my name Z. I say my name Z. ये कौन सा लेटर है? Z. Now which picture is this? Zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra. And what is the first letter of zebra? Z. And what is the color of zebra? White and black. Now revision times. N, I, B. N, I, B. नीब. नीब. किड्स, ये जो पेंसिल का पॉइंट होता है और पेन का जो पॉइंट होता है ना, उसको क्या कहते हैं? नीब. क्या कहते हैं? नीब. विदाउट ये नीब के बिना आप लिख सकते हो? नहीं. सो इसको क्या कहते हैं? नीब. र, इ, ब. र, इ, ब. रीब. रीब. Which picture is this? Rib. B, I, B, B, I, B. Beeb. 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 So kids, ये कौन सा क्लस्टर था? ईब क्लस्टर. Now id cluster. Which cluster is this? Id cluster. Which cluster? Id. L, I, D. L, I, D. Lead. Lead. Lead यानी ढक्कन. Which letter is this? K. And what is the sound of K? K. K. I, D. K. I, D. Kid. 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 Which picture is this? Kid. ये देखो छोटे छोटे क्या है? कीड़े. Which letter is this? H. And what is the sound of H? I, D. I, D. I, D. Heed. 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 ये बोई देखो ट्री के पीछे छुप गया, उसको क्या कहते हैं? Heed. So our id cluster is done. So kids, yesterday what we learned? We learned capital and small letter in worksheet, right? And today we learn small letter Z in textbook, page number 107. Full page is your classwork. And today's our homework, page number 3939. Other page is your homework, small letter Z. So now look at the board, everyone. Now write down CW and take. So which letter is this? Small letter Z. Small letter Z. So first line we trace the small letter Z. So first box, blue line के ऊपर आपको क्या करना है? Sleeping line. क्या करना है? Sleeping line. Now next box, first blue line में आपको क्या करना है? Sleeping line. And between two blue line, up to down, slanting line. Right? Now third box, first जो blue line है इसमें आपको क्या करना है? Sleeping line. And blue line क्या करना है? Up to down, slanting line. And again जो ये second वाली blue line है इसमें आपको क्या करना है? Sleeping line. So our Z letter is done. Sleeping line, slanting line, again sleeping line. Small letter Z. And Z says Z. Z says Z. Now after that small letter Z, sleeping line, slanting line, then again sleeping line. Z for 0. Sleeping line, slanting line, and again sleeping take out your English workbook, open page number 107, write down here CW and date. So ये क्लास वर्क अभी हमने जो बोर्ड में किया, राइट. नाउ लुक एट हियर. Identify the picture and circle the correct letter. Identify the picture and circle the correct letter. So which picture is this? Z. Which picture is this? Z. What is the first letter of Z? Z. Right? Z. So where is the Z? This one? No. Which letter is this? Small letter S. Right? This one? Yes. So circle the letter Z. Okay. Which picture is this? 0. Z for 0. And what is the first letter of 0? Z. Z. 0. So where is the Z? Yes. Here, right? Circle the letter Z. Okay. Which picture is this? Zoo. Z for zoo. And what is the first letter of zoo? Z. Z for zoo. So where is the Z? Yes, here, right? So circle the letter Z. देखो ये zoo होता है ना, उसमें क्या होता है? एनिमल. देखो यहाँ पे कितने सारे एनिमल है. एलिफेंट, मंकी, जिराफ, राइट, ज़ेब्रा. देखो लायन. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एनिमल है ना, राइट. So our class work is done. Now homework time. So take out your English workbook. Open page number 3939. Write down here HW and date. So kids first time we trace the small letter Z. So how to trace? Slipping line, slanting line, then again slipping line. Z for 0. Slipping line, slanting line, again slipping line. Z for 0. Slipping line, slanting line, then again slipping line. Z for 0. Now, how to write letter Z? How to write small letter Z? Between two blue line. So, kids आपको ये डॉट है, वहाँ से आपको start करना है. Slipping line, then slanting line, then again slipping line. This makes letter Z, and Z says Z. Z says Z. Z for zebra. Sorry, Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for 0. Z for zoo. Z for zip. Z for zip. Which letter is this? Small letter Z. Slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Slipping line, slanting line, again slipping line. Small letter Z. Small letter Z. So our homework is done. So today is our class work, page number 107 in textbook. Full page is your class work. And today is our homework, page number 3939 in workbook, small letter Z. So please parents help your child for class work, homework and activities. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.